Hex Wasp review. Okay, so keep this simple. I've owned this Hex Wasp optic for almost 2 years. I've carried it and I've shot hundreds and hundreds of rounds with it. And my overall quick review is it works great. I don't have any complaints with it. It's a relatively small red dot. I don't even know, you can see the dot in there with all these lights I got. But it is working. As far as the battery issues, when I first was looking into it, people complained a lot about battery issues. They have fixed that on all their newer models. So if you go buy one, and if it does have the issue, my understanding is that whoever has had it, they'll replace it for free. So now you no longer have it draining in like a week or something like that. Now, on the battery, it does say it lasts like 2 years. I found that to be complete bull crap. Mine only lasts about 7 to 8 months on a CR2032 battery. So I replace it every 6 months just to be safe. And then I've never had it run out of battery or had any issues with it. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Adjusting it is pretty simple. You just use a little Allen key there, and then there. And then as far as replacing the battery goes, I have a video on that here. That is my biggest complaint about any optic, that you have to remove the optic to replace the battery, because even though it stays pretty zeroed, it's not completely perfect. So in an ideal world, you have to zero it every single time after you replace the battery. Now you can use the co-witnessing sights and get it honestly close enough that for short range you're not even going to notice a difference. So overall, the Hex Wasp, I'd recommend it. It's a great optic. Are there better options out there? Absolutely. But if you're getting a Hellcat RDP with it already on there, you know, I'd say go for it, because it's a good optic. I've been carrying it for a year and a half, no issues. Okay guys, if you have any other thoughts on the Hex Wasp optic, please put it in the comments section below. If you own one and have had issues with it, I would also be really interested in hearing your experience as well.